Hello people, once again I want to show you guys about this journey of mine which I've took. I'm here right in what's the name of the place again? Boteka is a small village in the interior of Central Province. Hello people, once again I want to show you guys about this journey of mine which I've took. I'm here right in what's the name of the place again? Boteka is a small village in the interior of Central Province in Papua New Guinea. So I usually drive up along this way and you know, do like pick up for the work people there. So I usually goes up like this and down, and I want to show you guys about this place, but not really inside of the village, but on the roadside where they haven't got any development from the government. See the road right now. The road right now is so damn bumpy. They have everything in it, from the gravel, they have the trees, they have animals, they have protein there. We're talking about protein right here. But they never have get any services from the government, which is truly bad and sad for the people in this village. That is one thing that we as the people have to, you know, they have to appoint a good leader in the village to at least help them out and bring up their worries and their needs to the government for them to get benefits from the government. So stay put, and I'm going to show you about the road journey down to the main road where there is the tar or the seal road. Stay put. Road is totally a mess. It's like when it's getting wet. I mean, in Papua New Guinea there is always wet season too. So when the rain comes down, usually when the rain comes down, like in the month of December to May, I think probably May, around that time period of time, there's usually rainfall, and this is the wet season of the year in Papua New Guinea. So this road, no vehicle usually comes through here because the road is so bad that even took any vehicle up with it, it's gonna stuck on the road. It's totally a mess for the road as well, and the vehicle as well gonna be spoiled, and you have to bring and spend a lot of money on fixing your vehicle as well. The debris was thrown on the road by us when it was during the rainy season. So we fixed the road in order for our vehicle to pass through. So you know, like we helped them, like we totally helped them out, and you see some of the people are going to the river, and you know what? One thing about them is the water problem here is totally a big need where the people needs in this village area. So people usually goes to the big river known as Brown River, which was the first video that I uploaded some days ago. And that river, the people usually goes there and they fetch water from that big river, and they used to cook, drink, which is bad. They might get dysentery, typhoid, and cholera, and they might die. You know, it's pretty dangerous for the people health. is like this. The soil on the road is like this. Like it usually like this when it gets hot and it gets dry in the sun time. But when it gets wet during the wet season, the road become like, man, it's totally devastated. You know, it's totally bad. You can't drive like properly straight on the road. The car gonna slip like a snake slipping on the roadside. Yeah. This is one thing that, you know, every time when I come here, I usually put on 4-wheel. Like usually when I drove my 4x4 vehicle. But otherwise sometimes I come on a big truck like this. I make sure that the truck wheel has to be, the front side has to be on the road. Don't worry about the back side. It means to slide on the one side, slide on the other side, as long as you keep the tire straight on the road. That's what the real drivers do here in Papua New Guinea.